Hello and welcome to another discussion of our rovers here at Kaz Bouncer's Books. Today we shall be talking about attachments. We have two attachments to demonstrate today. The scoop, which is a mechanical digging device we can stick onto the front. We shall demonstrate this later. And this, which is an ultrasonic rangefinder, which allows the rover to actually see in front of itself and avoid obstacles. The first attachment we would like to talk about today is the bulldozer scoop. As you can see it here, it has a scoop which are connected to two bars. One connects to a fixed position servo and the second one to a frame. And we've wired this into the Arduino. Anyway, using the control software we can either raise the scoop or lower it. Now, because these bars are slightly different lengths, where when the scoop is raised, this tilts it forward slightly. This is the prototype version. In a better version I'd probably make it scoop more, as it's not that effective as picking up objects. I've tried on some screws, but I haven't tried on sand yet, so... How it works is this. A signal is sent to this, which sends out a little ultrasonic burst forwards. It's then reflected back and received by this. So I'm measuring the distance in time between these two, and with a bit of quick calculations we can work out how far away the sensor is from a given object. Now let's show it in action. Now that demonstrates a very simple code, which is just for the rover to keep moving forward until it detects an object at about 10 centimeters ahead of itself. As you can see, it's still attached to a computer, but the computer is doing none of the calculations. All the calculations are being done inside. All the computer is doing is supplying power and allowing us to prompt the rover to start moving forwards. But as you can tell, this isn't very complicated. So what if we wanted to make something a bit better? Now we're going to demonstrate its more complex AI. This time it should move forward, move back slightly, then turn left, and then start moving forward again until it hits another obstruction. Yes, as you can see, it did it, but it stops there basically because the AI times out. This is partly to stop it running off the table. Okay, as it couldn't detect the edge of the table, only walls, we've had to build this arena to make sure it's not going to break itself on the floor. We've also disconnected the USB cable and connected it to an internal power source, which is just for AA batteries. Anyway, now let's watch it do a infinite loop of the AI cycle. As we can see, it had some problems, which we can work on later. Mostly that it was hitting the walls when they were at a diagonal angle. But we could probably fix this by putting a slightly larger range on the detection thing. Thanks for watching another video on the mini rover. I have a question. Would people want me to be more or less technical when describing the rover? I could go into greater detail, or am I going into too much detail anyway? Please leave a comment or something and let me know. Anyway, thanks a lot, and we'll have more animatronics or robotics sometime soon.